gotta say this is my third time on the highway. But I would have had that footage, but I accidentally deleted it while I was going through storage. So let's call this the first official highway ride from a beginner's point of view. And I do gotta say, it is very fucking windy. Oh man. One thing though, the earplugs definitely do help with the wind noise. Not that much, but it does help. I mean, I do feel like I'm being bounced around a lot, you know. I think which is why I'm talking a little bit. Definitely feel a little bit more stable when I do that, so. Honestly, it's not that bad, to be honest, riding on the highway. I mean, I'll say it's about like medium traffic hour, you know. It's not heavy, it's still early in the morning, like it's starting to die down. So it's not that bad. It's not like it's like nut to butt traffic like rush hour. Yeah, definitely don't want to ride during rush hour, so. I'll be honest, I've been getting more and more comfortable riding. And I'll be honest, it's so much fun. One thing I do love doing, I do love taking turns. That's like my favorite things to do. I like leaning, man. I mean, I'm not dragging knee or anything, you know, but just like leaning in general, taking a turn. Oh man, feels so good. Like this big turn right here, this is like one giant little loop turn. Right now I'm in B mode. This is my second time riding in B mode. And one thing I do notice compared to C mode is that this is very torquey. I just wanted to give it a shot. You know, see how it is. It's pretty good for the highway. I'll say I'll definitely use this for the highway, like riding in B mode. So other than that, it's been good. Like normal city riding, I ride in C mode, you know, like highway and stuff. Like I think this is my first time riding in B mode on a highway, so it isn't that bad. I mean, I'm still within my braking period, so I'm keeping it. I have to keep it under 7,000. 7,000 RPM. I mean, I've gone over it, you know, but you know, there's no biggie. Oh, was that a pop? Sorry, I love taking turns. Oh man, this bike wants to lean. Oh my god, what a feeling. we lean again, because we love leaning. Yes, that felt good. I've got to get gas. One thing I have been seeing lately, and I'm out riding, even driving in general, even though it just hit September, why the fuck you people have your Halloween decorations out? It's kind of early. I mean, I know the stores started selling Halloween stuff last month, but like that don't mean you guys gotta put your shit out this early. Like, damn. I mean, I'm just saying. I mean, I love Halloween as much as the next guy, you know, but y'all niggas is bugging. I mean, I understand like the last week of like September you put up your Halloween decorations, but like the beginning, my nigga? But anyways, I gotta get some gas, bruh. Alright, where this nigga going? Alright, he going over there. I'm gonna go right here. And I'm gonna pump this bitch full of gas. Gotta pump it. Pump it. We shall go with the 90 today. Because that's what she likes. Ooh, at BMW X4 M40i. No idea what that means, but it seemed interesting. I think one thing I should learn is to sit on a bike and pump the gas, because sometimes it don't fill up evenly. So I don't know, it just feels weird. Like, I tried it once, it just felt weird, so I just did what I was comfortable with. She is one sexy bitch. I think I'm in love, bro. So one of the worst feelings gotta be when riding, when your fucking eyebrows are itchy, man. You try to pull up your visor to hit your face while you're riding. But at the same time, the wind is blowing on your face. I think that's like one of the worst things that happened to me so far. Aside from stalling, is my face itchy while I'm riding. If I pull up my visor while I'm riding, of course all the wind is gonna hit me in the fucking face and something's gonna fly in my eye, you know, so I can't risk that. One thing I do be getting, especially online, I've been noticing, man, especially because I bought 1,000 from my first bike, you know, and everyone, like, no matter like what mistakes I make or whatever, everyone will always like, oh, you bought too much bike, you need to trade that in and get a 300, learn properly. I'm like, bro, stay out of my fucking pockets, bro, like, for real. And like, a lot of the times I be seeing motherfuckers be saying, oh, RIP, and there's another statistic. I'm like, y'all niggas is negative, man. That's like the number one thing I hate about the fucking bike community, bro. Like, for real. A lot of niggas is toxic as hell. And the ones that be toxic are the motherfuckers that don't have a fucking motorcycle. Like, come on, bro. Like, at least I had the fucking balls to, like, take the MSF course and then actually go buy a bike. But yeah, you know, I bought a fucking $1,000 for my first bike because I could afford the damn thing, and because I fucking wanted it. Shit. Actually, I was gonna start on the ZX6, but I couldn't find them shits anywhere, man. So I wasn't gonna fuck with Facebook Marketplace, so I just went straight for $1,000. But that's the one thing I fucking hate, bro. Like, if you don't ride, bro, stay the fuck out people's pockets, bro. Don't worry about what motherfuckers bought. Tested, I'm on the highway again. Now I need to go to the vitamin shop. I need to buy more protein. Running low on protein, man. The protein powders. Gotta go buy some more. There's some other supplements too. Going downhill. Because this is a safer route than going up there and trying to fight the freaking traffic to get in there, because this road right here is pretty hectic, bro.